Morning po. So another product coming from Perfect Match. So this time, ito naman po yung itatry natin. 100% sugar-free Cocoa Cabana. Yan. So it says on the pack, rich and smooth dark chocolate, low carb, sugar-free, keto-friendly, diabetic-friendly. Yan. So malinaw na malinaw, diabetic-friendly. Nutrition facts po nito, calories per serving, 45. Total fats, 4 grams. Cholesterol 0, sodium 0. Ang net carbohydrates po niya is 0.3 grams, so less than 1 gram po ito. Dietary fiber 0.7 gram. So yun po. Of course, as always, nakakuha na po ako ng blood sugar level. 90 po yung current na blood sugar level ko po. Of course, kinuha ko po yan through my Otay CGM. Ito po. So, of course, hindi ko naman po ubusin tong buong chocolate bar, no? So, yan. 4 pieces. I'll get 4 pieces. Ayan. Kainin ko po to 4 pieces tapos babalik po ako after 2 hours and we'll see kung ano pong gagawin natin sa blood sugar ko. Conclusion na po tayo dun po sa kinain kong chocolate, dark chocolate from Perfect Match. So nag-start po yung blood sugar ko at 90 and then bumaba po siya ng 88, 86 and then at one point bumalik po siya ng 90, nag-92 pa po siya, no? Yun po yung pinakamataas, 92. And then finally, before po mag 2 hours, 88 po yung blood sugar reading. So hindi ko na po tinuloy yung monitoring. I think meron pa po yata natitirang 15 minutes before 2 hours. Wala na rin naman po, hindi na po gagalaw yung blood sugar. Pag tinignan niyo po yung chart na in-include ko po dyan, sobrang flat naman po nung blood sugar level. Of course, ang final conclusion ko po, no, ang recommendation ko po niya, wala pong problema yung chocolate. Pero please take note, 4 pieces lang po yung kinain ko po, no? Hindi ko po kinain yung entire bar. Well, kung kakainin ko po yung entire bar, I don't think na magkakaroon din po na significant na blood sugar spike kasi based po dun sa nutrition facts, dun po sa ingredients. Okay naman po siya lahat. Wala naman pong ingredient that would trigger a blood sugar spike or a blood sugar increase. So yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye. Reminders lang po, huwag pong mag-aanli. Always eat in moderation. Di po ako doktor, so whenever in doubt, konsulta po kayo sa doktor ninyo. And yung results po ng mga review na ginagawa ko, it may vary. So huwag niyo pong i-expect na yung resulta sa akin is magiging kapareho po ng resulta sa inyo. So yun lang po. Have a nice day.